Before buying a cookware set for Induction, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. Many buyers end up frustrated because they don't realize the importance of compatibility and quality. But today, I'll break down the top 5 options that truly deliver. Product number 1, Astercook 21 PCS Cookware Set. First up is the Astercook 21 PCS Pots and Pans Set. Priced at just $59.99, this set caught my attention because it's labeled a bestseller with a strong 4.5-star rating backed by over 8,500 reviews. If you want a versatile and easy-to-clean cookware set, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The high-performance non-stick coating means you can cook with less oil, making for healthier meals while also making cleanup a breeze. Plus, the removable handle design saves storage space, which is great if you have a smaller kitchen. The set's compatibility with induction, gas, and electric stovetops means you can use it almost anywhere. Over 10,000 of these have been sold in the past month, so people clearly love it. Now, some people complained about the handles feeling a bit flimsy. Here's the thing though, as long as you don't exceed the weight limit and handle them with care, they'll serve you well and save you space in your cabinets. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable, space-saving solution. Skip this one if you're after heavy-duty cookware that can withstand extreme cooking conditions. Honestly, for the price, it offers solid value. Now, if the removable handle feature bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, CAROT 21 PCS Non-Stick Cookware Set. Next is the CAROT 21 PCS Pots and Pans Set, coming in at $129.99. This set features a stunning cream white color and boasts a 4.5-star rating from 27,400 reviews. If you want a reliable and lightweight set that performs well, definitely consider this one. The non-stick granite material is 10x more effective, which means your food won't stick and cleanup is hassle-free. Plus, it's PFOA-free, ensuring safe cooking. CAROT also backs their product with a 12-month warranty, so you know they stand by their quality. However, some folks have noted that it's recommended to hand wash these instead of using a dishwasher. While that might be inconvenient for some, I think the quality of cooking you get is worth the extra effort. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish and efficient set that offers great performance. Skip this one if you're after a budget option. It's definitely a bit pricier, but you get what you pay for. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a larger variety of pieces. Product number 3, CAROT Non-Stick Titanium Cookware Set. The third option is the CAROT Non-Stick Pots and Pans, priced at $89.99. With a 4.6-star rating from 3,500 reviews, this one is a fantastic option for those who prioritize quality and affordability. If you're keen on a durable and easy-to-clean set, this is worth a look. Additionally, the reinforced die-cast aluminum ensures even heat distribution, which is key for induction cooking. The silicone-sealed glass lids are a thoughtful touch, locking in moisture and flavor while letting you monitor your cooking without lifting the lid. But be aware that a few users have mentioned black residue forming if not properly cared for. Now here's the thing, if you hand wash and use neutral soap it should be fine, but it's crucial to maintain it properly to avoid any issues. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a solid, budget-friendly option. Skip this one if you prefer dishwasher-safe cookware. At this price, it's excellent value for a reliable set. Now, if the potential cleaning issue concerns you, this next one might just ease your worries. Product number 4, CAROT 19 PCS Non-Stick Cookware Set. Next, we have the CAROT 19 PCS Pots and Pans Non-Stick Cookware Set, again priced at $59.99. With a 4.6-star rating from 2,200 reviews, this set is all about convenience and space saving. If you want something that provides flexibility in storage, this is a great choice. The non-stick ability makes for easy cooking and cleaning, which is especially useful if you're busy or have a smaller kitchen. This set is compatible with all kinds of cooktops, including Induction, which ensures versatility. However, some users have pointed out that the removable handle can feel insecure during cooking. I'll be real with you, if you're not careful, it might slip. But if you're gentle and use them as intended, they can be quite handy. This is perfect for you if you're tight on space and need a practical solution. Skip this one if you require a more sturdy set for heavy-duty cooking. For the price, it's definitely a smart buy. Now, if you're looking for something with even more versatility, check out our last option. Product number 5. CAROTE 26 PCS Cookware Set. Finally, we have the CAROTE 26 PCS Pots and Pans Set, priced at $169.99. With a 4.7-star rating and 1,500 reviews, this option stands out for those who want a comprehensive set. If you want a variety of cookware for all your cooking needs, this is definitely worth considering. The reinforced die-cast aluminum construction ensures durability, while the non-stick granite material provides top-level performance. Plus, the quick and even heating makes it ideal for induction cooking. However, it's worth noting that several users recommend hand washing to maintain its performance. I get that it can be a hassle, but considering the quality and the extensive set you're getting, it's a trade-off I'd be willing to make. This is perfect for you if you want an all-in-one set that covers all your cooking bases. Skip this if you're looking for just a few essentials. It's on the pricier side, but if you cook often, it'll serve you well. So there you have it. Each of these cook sets brings something unique to the table, whether it's price, performance, or versatility. In summary, if you're looking for budget-friendly options, the Astercook and CAROTE 19 PCS sets are solid choices. For something a bit more premium, check out the CAROTE 21 PCS or the extensive CAROTE 26 PCS set. Each has its strengths and weaknesses, so consider what matters most for your cooking needs. Happy cooking!